What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy HSC Junior, whatever you want to call me. I'm gonna be installing some new headlights that I got for the Celica. Right now we're gonna check out how they look like real quick. Stock. All right, let's turn these headlights on real quick. One more. These are the stock headlights, and you see. And I bought these puppy right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right now I'm about to disconnect the battery, pop the headlights open, and see. Get to the install. All right, I literally forgot to turn on the lights, but here's the headlights with better lighting. Yes, sir. And these are the old ones right now. Alright, so right now I'm gonna start off by disconnecting the battery real quick. Hold on, let me put the shit on the floor. I wanna drop another one. Alright, I'm gonna start off by removing the screws and shit. Plastic piece. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna have to take one screw off right there. That one's gone. I'm pretty sure these ones too. There's none on that side. And 1, 2, 3 down there, but I have to take this off. Alright, took this shit off real quick, you know. Zip ties, if your shit box ain't have zip ties, it's not a shit box, you know. Put this shit in real quick. Yes, sir. Now we have a space. Let's get to it. Alright, better angles and shit. Carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see me. Carbon fiber piece of shit. You guys tell me. I don't know. I'll be looking those shits up on eBay, and they be charging like fucking $500 because it's carbon fiber. I'm like, what the fuck? Hopefully this fucking shit fits. Right now this aluminum metal plastic piece comes off. That is what holds the headlights in place. And you disconnect it from here. There you go. Out with the old, in with the new. Jeez. This should be the same size, but I don't know if it's gonna be plug and play. I don't know the fucking shit to say there. I don't know, there's some kind of words being kind of loose. Fucking dust and shit. Fucking old ass car. Let's test fitment real quick. Oh no, I don't think it's gonna fit. Because it's already hitting. We'll see though, we'll see. I'll put one out to hold. And boom, yeah. Car's going crazy right now. I'm scared of putting this bitch on. Damn, what the fuck are they arresting El Chapo? It's crazy because it's hard as fuck to find videos and shit that help on the Celica because there's not many. The difference is this is plastic, glass. Alright, I'm gonna plug the battery in real quick. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright, yeah, the battery's on. Let's see. It's on? Yo, only one of them is on. That's crazy. Alright. I'm gonna read this real quick. Came with this. So I might need to use this. So we'll see. Right now we're removing this shit again. Here, this plugs into this. You manually insert these into like this connection. Put this here. But now, black is supposed to be ground, so put that there. Red. So high beam and low beam. Alright, let's plug this bitch back in real quick. Yo, we got it. We got it, y'all. We got this shit to work. The bitches is bright, y'all. The bitches is bright. Alright, let me put this bitch in the thing real quick. Y'all, in the comments, let me know what should I upgrade on the Celica. I'm already thinking of tires. Well, I need new suspension, so I'm gonna get some coilovers. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of coilovers I should get for the Celica. It's a 1990 Toyota Celica GT. Just comment down below a mod list that should fucking, not just like, please don't put like fucking wing. I don't want a wing. No fake hood scoops, no fake carbon fiber shit. Shit's back on. Yes, sir. Plug in the battery one more time. Ooh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Yo. That shit bright as fuck. Right now, my test fit, if it even closes. If not, let's give it a little test. From what I see, it could close, so. Right now we're testing fitment. So far so good. It for sure closes. Yeah, this is a lot. Way more to go. Alright, y'all, this is the final product. Yes, sir. She bright, she bright. Give you a little quick walk around. You know, it's a project. It's a work in progress. You know. It's a project car, so we'll see where we go from here, y'all. Please comment down below on what other things I should add to it, you know. New bumper coming in soon. It's gonna be the GT all-track bumper. Looks way more aggressive. I got a new hood. This is not even an OEM hood. Well, it's from another car, because the one that I had, they tried breaking into. And right here, you can see this dent right here. They shoved like a crowbar or something and started bending upwards. And the old hood is fucked. It's in my backyard. This plastic or carbon fiber piece right here. This is my third one. Unfortunately, this one came broken, so that side doesn't really screw on well. New bumper coming in soon. Fog lights coming in soon. Wheels and tires coming in soon. Trunk coming in soon. The shit fucking, one of the bolts snapped so it doesn't close properly. Comment down below what you guys think. Drop down in the comments down below your guys' list. I'll check them out, drop some links. I'll check him out. I'll for sure start putting money into this car, you know. Damn, y'all can see me now, huh? Don't mind my hair. I had my hat on. It's cold as fuck outside. This is my view, guys. Holy shit, it's bright as fuck, huh? Sheesh. Thank you all guys for watching. I hope you guys stick around. Drop a thumbs up if you guys like. Subscribe, turn on the post notification. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.